Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove trash icon from desktop on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so let me minimize this and let's go to the desktop. So here you can see guys, we have this trash icon, and suppose if you want to remove it from the desktop, I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to come to the desktop, right click on this, and here we have the terminal. Click on this to open the terminal, and you can see guys, here we have the terminal opened, and you can also open this terminal by using another method. So let me show you. Let me close this. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to press Alt Control T key on your keyboard. I am pressing that, and you can see guys, here we have the terminal opened. Okay, so in order to remove this trash icon from the desktop, you need to install gnome-tweaks tool. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to update system repositories. Okay, so for this we have this command, sudo apt update, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your password and then hit enter. Okay, so it's now updated, and guys, after that you have to type this command, sudo apt install gnome-tweaks. Okay, and it will install this tool, gnome-tweaks tool, on our Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So guys, this command in video description, you can check it out. Okay, after that you have to hit enter key on the keyboard. So I am doing that, and you can see guys, it's now installed. And after that you can close this terminal and just click on this show applications at the bottom left, and here we have this search box. Just do a search for gnome-tweaks, and here we have the gnome-tweaks tool. Click on it to open it. It's now opened. Okay guys, and after that you have to click on this desktop, and here we have the trash. Okay, so currently it's on, that means it is present on the desktop. So just click on this button over here to make it off. You can see it's now off and the trash icon is gone. Okay, and you can always enable it. Just open the gnome-tweaks tool, come to the desktop. Here we have the trash icon. Just click on this button to make it on. You can see it's now on, but we want to remove it from the desktop, so we need to click on this off button. Okay, so it's now removed, and after that you can close this gnome-tweaks tool. So guys, it's done, and in this way you can remove trash icon from desktop on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.